India, Bharat. Ours is a land of sages, and it's known for ages. A home to spiritual masters and seekers alike. While the world has seen the glory of some pious souls, there are others unseen and continue to work towards universal safety and prosperity through Vedic means. Our Guru, Sri Sivaya Swamiji, fondly known as Sri Appa Swamiji, whose luster is undimmed and eternal, is one such Maharishi, an ardent spiritual practitioner. For the last 40 years, Sri Guruji has performed various Vedic sacrifices across India for the nation's prosperity and well-being. Under the guidance of his gurus Sri Kalluri Venkata Narayana Swamiji and Sri Purnananda Swamiji, Sri Guruji founded Sri Maha Lakshmi Sri Peetham at Anantapur. Sri Guruji performed a 1 crore japa of Shiva Panchakshari mantra and built the Sivakoti temple at its best. At Sri Peetham, Sri Guruji with his disciples performed Sahasra Chandi Yagas, Maharudra Yagas, Atirudra Yagas, Sri Mahavishnu Yaga, Kasi Kshetra Parikrama and Narmada Parikrama amidst many others. It has always been our Guru's innermost desire to help and feed the needy in every possible way. With this devout sankalpa, Sri Mahalakshmi Sri Peetham started Guru Padaka Seva and Annadaana Seva under the guidance of Sri Guruji. While the Guru Padaka Seva regularly distributes dresses and blankets to the orphans and the old aged, the Annadaana Seva program feeds the needy on the Masa Sivaratri and Purnima of every month. Under the guidance of Sri Guruji, Sri Mahalakshmi Sri Peetham is constructing an Annadaana Seva Mandir at Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. Sri Guruji always says, "You have not lived today until you have done something for someone who can never repay you." We believe that caring for the poor and needy and helping them is a noble endeavor. Volunteering your time, money, or energy to help others doesn't just make the world better, it also makes you better. It would be an immense pleasure to join hands on this journey together. All your donations will go towards this noble cause. Here are the details to make a donation.